Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of display on the application of Flu app. You will go to settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Flu and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.